Today let's talk about angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitors and mortality among patients with heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. While trial evidence supports the benefit of angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor therapy in heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, its effectiveness in routine clinical practice is less explored. This study investigated the relative and absolute effectiveness of angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor in patients with heart failure with reduced ejection fraction. Coming to methods, this nationwide Danish database study included patients with left ventricular ejection fraction less than or equal to 40%, 2018 to 2023, using a prevalent new user design, 2446, angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor. Initiators were matched 1 to 4,892 users of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors or angiotensin receptor blockers based on propensity scores, age, left ventricular ejection fraction, and NT-proBNP. The primary outcome was all-cause mortality. Secondary outcomes were cardiovascular mortality and hospitalization. Coming to results, there were 279 deaths among angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor initiators and 533 among angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, angiotensin receptor blockers users, yielding a hazard ratio of 0.85 for all-cause mortality. A significant interaction was observed for recent hospitalization with angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor, yielding a lower hazard ratio in this group. Hazard ratios were otherwise consistent across age, sex, left ventricular ejection fraction, NT-proBNP, NYHA class, ischemic heart disease, chronic kidney disease, and type 2 diabetes. The largest absolute mortality reductions were seen in subgroups with recent hospitalization, NYHA class 3-4, and severely elevated NT-proBNP. Angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor was also associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular death, but not with other secondary outcomes. In conclusion, in this study, angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor was associated with a 15% reduction in all-cause mortality versus angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors, angiotensin receptor blockers. Patients with advanced or symptomatic heart failure appeared to experience the greatest absolute benefit.